This is Rob from the Myki Customer Success Team. Today I'm going to show you how to add items to folders so permissions are even easier from the enterprise perspective. Now, first, there's the main way you would want to be able to do this is in the enterprise portal as an administrator, and you can add passwords simply by coming in. You can add a brand new one right here. In this case, I have one folder called Super Important Passwords, but let's say this is domain, admin, whatever. And let's say passwords admin, and I have a super secure password. And what I'll do is I can simply add it either one right here at the bottom by simply typing this in, and now this item will be part of that folder, meaning the permissions for that folder will be applied instantly. So everybody who's part of this group or users who have access to this folder, which in this case I have access to this folder, will be able to have those passwords. Now on the fly, like let's say you're using the Myki extension or the desktop app, you can also add passwords from here. So let's say I'm going to add another domain admin account. Admin, and let's say this is something super secure as well. I can change this profile here to a company, and it will then prompt me to choose which folder I want to have. So I can make it so it's only shared with just me, which probably don't want to do if you want to share with other users. So I'm going to add it to this super important passwords folder, and now it's going to come in and it will be added to the company once I click save. And now all other users who have access to this device, or rather this access to this account through folder access, then it will come over to them. And inside this vault, I will see another domain admin, and it's part of this folder, and everybody who has access to that folder will now have access. The same thing applies to browser extensions and the mobile app when you decide to save a password. Just simply select the right profile, and you'll be prompted to select a folder next. Now to delete an item from an enterprise vault, you'll need to do this from the portal as an administrator. So either one can look at the password itself and say, okay, I want to delete this password while you're viewing the item. So I'll do that in this case. Or you can do that from this list. You can also hover over this box here, which will make the items selectable. And I can either click them all one by one, or I can select all these passwords, click delete, and now all these passwords will be archived. If you ever need to retrieve a password that you did not intend to delete, I can always go to the archived items, and I can actually restore all these passwords.